Hi friends! Today we are making air fryer lamb chops, super easy and juicy. First, place them in a pot. Rinse your fresh lamb chops under running water. Cover with cold water. Add some Shaoxing wine. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, skim off any froth on top. Keep the water boiling for 10 minutes. Then remove them. Boiling them first is the secret to keeping them juicy. Pat them dry with paper towels. Just press lightly on the surface. Don't squeeze the meat itself or you will lose the juices. Next, season your chops with soy sauce, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, chili powder, cumin powder, and cumin seeds. Toast everything together for 2 minutes. No extra marinating needed. Slice some onions. Spread them on your air fryer rack. Arrange the lamb chops on top. And pour over any leftover marinade. Add some garlic cloves. Air fry at 383 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Then flip the chops. Sprinkle with white sesame seeds and fresh rosemary. Continue cooking at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for another 6 minutes. Thanks for cooking with me. If you love quick meals under 30 minutes, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.